Brace yourself. In a dramatic turn that has financial circles buzzing, software tycoon Larry Ellison momentarily snatched the crown as the world's wealthiest person away from Elon Musk, a plot twist that few saw coming. But before you settle in, here's where it gets interesting. The lead was short-lived, setting off a heated debate among wealth watchers worldwide. As Wall Street opened its doors Wednesday morning, shares of Oracle, the tech behemoth Ellison co-founded, soared unprecedentedly, leaping by over 33% in a single opening stretch. This meteoric rise was just enough to vault Ellison to the top spot on the global rich list, dethroning Musk for a tantalizing few hours. Yet as the day wore on and Oracle's stock cooled slightly, Musk reclaimed the number one position by the closing bell, at least according to Bloomberg's tallies. To put these numbers into perspective, Musk's wealth currently sits at $384.2 billion, with Ellison a whisker behind at $383.2 billion. It's a jaw-dropping rivalry. After all, a single $1 billion at this level is more like pocket change. Imagine this. Either man could single-handedly support 5 million average American families for an entire year, about as many people as live in Florida. Alternatively, they could effectively pay the whole population of South Africa to take the year off, based on the nation's GDP. Makes you wonder, should so much be concentrated in so few hands? The trigger for this wealth reshuffle? Oracle's latest blockbuster earnings report revealed a tidal wave of new AI-driven business, with major contracts pouring in from the likes of OpenAI, Meta, Nvidia, and even Musk's own xAI. Oracle now predicts a staggering 77% growth in its cloud infrastructure revenue this year, expecting that number to rocket from $18 billion to $144 billion within just 4 years. Ellison was quick to point out that Oracle's windfall isn't coming from just building computational muscle for AI. The company is embedding itself in the very fabric of future industries. Their cloud will power everything from factory robots and laboratory research to financial trading systems and AI-enabled sales teams. In plain English, the company is poised to profit from almost every major field AI touches, a true sign of the wild new directions technology is taking us. Yet not everyone is cheering. Some critics question the social implications of one company edging closer to AI dominance, or so much new wealth concentrating in the hands of a single individual. Is it healthy for innovation, or a challenge to economic equality? Comment below if you think this kind of financial leap is a sign of progress, or a symptom of a system gone haywire. While Ellison was making headlines, Musk was facing challenges of his own. Tesla's stock, once the rocket fuel behind Musk's fortune, has slumped 14% so far this year, moving in the opposite direction from Oracle. Musk still maintains significant stakes in other private ventures, such as SpaceX, the AI company xAI, and X, formerly Twitter. But market confidence appears to be shifting. Musk has long promised a Tesla sales turnaround after sales tumbled earlier in the year, but recovery has remained elusive. And this is the controversy most people overlook. Musk keeps redirecting attention to Tesla's developing robot and AI tech, hoping to rekindle optimism, but the numbers haven't shown the dramatic rebound he predicts, at least not yet. Meanwhile, Tesla's European sales have cratered, down nearly 40% over the summer, marking the 7th consecutive month of declines. Analysts aren't shy about noting a potential link between Musk's public endorsement of far-right politicians on X and dwindling enthusiasm among European and U.S. buyers, particularly those disturbed by his recent forays into divisive politics. At the closing bell on Wednesday, Oracle shares surged to $328.33, notching an eye-popping 36% gain. Tesla, on the other hand, managed a muted rise of less than 1%, closing at $347.79. But here's the part to debate. Will this passing of the torch between Musk and Ellison become a prescient sign of where the true tech fortunes will live in the age of AI, or are both men riding bubbles that could burst? Do you think public reaction to their political and business moves will matter long-term, or will numbers always rule? Chime in below. Do you see this as progress or a problem worth fixing? Let's get the conversation started.